Hey guys, thanks for joining us in another Yukon Tech Tip. Today we're going to be discussing the initial preparation and setup of a ring and pinion before you go installing it into the differential. One nice trick that will really save you a ton of headache later on down the road is just checking for burrs and imperfections on the gear set. Take it out of the box, run your hand across it. You're looking for anything hanging up, snagging. You're going to want to clean that up before you go to install it. And one of the nice things about working with a high quality product like Yukon, you don't have to do that nearly as often. When you get into the ring and pinion, you're going to see, okay, there's a burr here, we're going to clean that up. Use a die grinder with like a 3M Scotch-Brite pad, and you're going to go across all the teeth to make sure they're nice and even. On the back side of the gear, you're checking for burrs and high points in this as well. So you're going to have your general sharpening stone or a flat file, and just go right across the surface of the gear until you have no more high points or burrs. Just make sure that it's all nice and flat and even. You're also probably going to want to check the mating surface on the carrier that the ring gear is going onto, and just do the same thing. You're looking for any imperfections, any high spots, because that can really throw off the setup of the ring and pinion set. Doing these couple of tricks and easy steps before you go putting everything together is just going to save you a lot of time and effort. Thanks again for joining us on this Yukon Tech Tip. And if you have any questions, check out our website or visit us on social media. Thanks.